Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is one aspect of the news that sometimes gets everything wrong. You might have seen the last few days a news item on your favorite news channel, and I mean everybody's talking about it. And I just did one little search here and look at the results. So this is a Canadian broadcasting billions of login credentials, global news, 16 billion passwords, National Post, massive leak of 16 billion, affecting Apple, blah, 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 plus websites that go with it. No, this is not new or nothing new. This is the database, basically, that if you go to Have I Been Pawned, some of you know the website, where you check if your passwords, your credentials could have been leaked in a data breach in the past. Well, that 16 billion they're talking about is that database that's been there for years. Nothing new. There's a knot in there. There's no new data breach. There's no new, major issue that happened. This is news outlets not knowing what they're talking about and not checking their facts. So, nope. There is, yes, 16 billion accounts and passwords and stuff. Absolutely, that exists. It's out there. It's just an old database that contains things that probably from data breaches that are 15 years old, 20 years old. It's not a new breach. This is simply how it is reported by the news. So, of course, panicking people. And, if you've changed your password, it's not a bad idea. Anyway, it's always nice to, and refreshing your passwords from time to time is a great idea. So, this is where I'm always find it kind of funny. So, that's not what I want. It's Have I Been Pawned? Here we go. If you go to this website, I'll share it here. Have I Been Pawned is where you can check out your accounts. You simply enter an email address, and it's going to tell you if that account has been breached somewhere. And this is a website that's been existing for a long time. Actually, a lot of the antivirus software and browsers use this to check for any breached passwords when you enter a password somewhere. So that 16 billion, that's pretty much what's in here. And it's been here for years. So don't panic. There's nothing new. If you listen to the news outlets, it's like if it's all brand new and that now you've got to do something about it. That's where news sometimes gets things wrong. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.